Iterative waterfall model in software engineering? The iterative waterfall model, also known as the modified waterfall model, is an extension of the classical waterfall model that incorporates iterative and incremental elements into the development process. It addresses some of the limitations of the classical waterfall model by allowing for feedback, flexibility, and adaptation throughout the software development lifecycle. The iterative waterfall model consists of the following phases. 1. Requirements gathering. Similar to the classical waterfall model, the requirements gathering phase involves understanding and documenting the software requirements. However, in the iterative waterfall model, there is an increased emphasis on gathering initial requirements while remaining open to changes and refinements in subsequent iterations. 2. System design and prototyping. In this phase, the system design is created based on the initial requirements. Additionally, prototypes or mock-ups of the software system may be developed to gather feedback from stakeholders and validate design decisions. The prototypes help identify potential issues and improve the understanding of user requirements. 3. Implementation and testing. The implementation phase involves coding and developing the software based on the system design. Once a module or a set of features is implemented, it undergoes testing, including unit testing and integration testing, to ensure its functionality and identify defects or issues. 4. Iterative development and feedback. After the initial implementation and testing, the software is reviewed by stakeholders to gather feedback. This feedback is then used to refine and update the requirements, system design, and implementation. Multiple iterations are conducted, with each iteration building upon the previous one, incorporating feedback and making necessary adjustments. 5. Final testing and deployment. Once all iterations are completed and the software meets the desired requirements and quality standards, final testing is conducted to ensure the system's overall functionality and performance. After successful testing, the software is deployed or released to the end users or customers. 6. Maintenance. The maintenance phase involves providing ongoing support, addressing issues, and making updates or enhancements to the software based on user feedback and changing requirements. This phase may occur in parallel with the iterative development process. The iterative waterfall model allows for better adaptability and flexibility compared to the classical waterfall model. It provides opportunities to gather feedback early in the development process, make necessary adjustments, and gradually refine the software solution. However, it still follows a sequential structure and requires careful management of iterations to maintain project timelines and control scope creep.